Alright, EV enthusiasts, car enthusiasts, and anyone else who wants a glimpse of the future of transportation, buckle up. For years, we've heard whispers, seen blurry spy photos, and dreamed about what Tesla's next big thing could look like. A more affordable, more compact, yet equally innovative electric vehicle that could really shake things up. And today, we're going to reveal what could be the answer to all those dreams. Let's start with the front profile of this stunning 2026 Tesla Model Q. The first thing that strikes you is its smoothness. Gone are the harsher lines of the Model 3, replaced by an almost fluid surface that flows seamlessly from front to back. This isn't just aesthetics, it's aerodynamic mastery in action. Tesla has always pushed the boundaries of efficiency, and this design showcases an incredibly low coefficient of drag. Check out the headlights. They're so sleek, they almost blend into the fender lines, forming a continuous, unbroken path of light. This minimalist approach is a hallmark of modern Tesla design, but here it's elevated. The traditional grille is, of course, gone, replaced by a sleek fascia that highlights the electrical powertrain. Even the lower intakes are very subtle, hinting at clever thermal management without disrupting the overall clean aesthetic. Now, let's move on to the side profile. This is where the true elegance of the Model Q, or whatever it's called, really shines. The silhouette is almost coupe-like, with a fastback roofline that tapers gently towards the rear. This gives the car a very sporty and athletic stance, even when standing still. The large, aerodynamically optimized wheels are the focal point. They look like they were designed to slice through the air, contributing significantly to the car's efficiency and aggressive stance. Note the absence of traditional door handles, which instead show flush-mounted handles that can protrude outward, or an even more futuristic automatic entry system, further enhancing the sleek bodywork. And then, we have this truly stunning rear shot. If the front is sleek, the rear is downright sci-fi minimalist. The taillights are slim, horizontal LED strips that run the full width of the vehicle, giving it a very wide and planted look. This sign is very modern and instantly recognizable. The Tesla lettering is illuminated, a subtle yet premium touch that adds to the car's presence, especially at night. One thing is clear, Tesla is not resting on its laurels. They are constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries, and reimagining what a car can be. This potential next-generation 2026 Tesla Model Q or compact EV is a monumental leap forward. It embodies efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and a design philosophy that is both elegant and meaningful. It is a vision for a future of transportation that is more accessible, more sustainable, and incredibly exciting. So, what do you think of this incredible 2026 Tesla Model Q? Are you excited about the potential Tesla Model Q? Do you think this is the car that will finally make EVs truly mainstream? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, the latest EV news, and analysis of the latest automotive innovations. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and share this video with anyone who wants a glimpse into the future of electric vehicles.